Masha.
Yes, thank you. How are you, man? Well done. So, this one moment. Very strong,
Use the gate.
Hey! You open the gate to call the camera and the police. Advance. Obligated Nigeria people! Boza! Go! Say go, sir! Go! Free Sowore! Free Sowore! Kudu! Greatest Nigerian people. Greatest Nigerian youth. Greatest Nigerians. We want to thank you once again for your resilience. We have just come from what we have predicted from the beginning, that this will be a trial of Buhari in an open court. At the moment they saw that that trial was going in that direction, they start asking for witness protection again. What essentially happened in court was that we were able to prove to the judge that the first person to have overthrown a democratically elected government in Nigeria is Buhari. Yes. Stupid boy. Asked the witness they brought. Yes. Were you aware that Buhari overthrew a government?
I was there now.
No. This guy is 42 years old. Later, they were able to prove that he told them that he heard it when he was in secondary school. And Femi Falana, our very competent lawyer, always asked him, where you heard in secondary school, was the man tried for treason? He said no. And we were able to prove before the judge as well, in our cross-examination, that they have no case.
They have.
They are there just moving, as what fella used to call perambulation. Moving left and right. At the point we started to pity even their witness. Serious. Yes. He was sweating profusely even though the air conditioning was on. Wisdom. But this affirms our position from the beginning. That this is not our trial, but the trial of the dictators who are in civilian guard in this country. Especially the expired man in Sowore, Muhammad Buhari,
bad boy.
Yes, that he will be the one who will be totally exposed at this trial. But in the process, they are now saying that they want to shield their witnesses. The judge, of course, granted it tactically. He said, well, we will allow 20 people because of COVID-19 protocols.
Okay, now.
But if there are no pressmen, we will allow people in the public to occupy the 20 seats. But we will accredit the pressmen. We are not worried about that at all. Even if they cover their witnesses, they will still lose in this case.
Yes.
We have no doubt about it. And I want to say, because this is Christmas period, a lot of us are going to be going back home, that starting from when we live here today, let us end this distraction and move in direction of how to liberate this country totally. Because it's going to be our job to liberate Nigeria. It's not going to be the job of any generation. This is the liberation generation. Yes. And this distraction, in my mind, should end from today.
Of course.
They were hoping that I will run away. They discovered that I can never run away.
No. Yes. Never.
Greatest Nigerian people. Even though my family members have seen me for more than a year and a half and they are suffering, they're watching me now. Please, let them just have patience with us.
Yes.
Yes. And one day they will be proud of our endeavors. Right? Because this is a historical duty and it must be carried to fruition. Greatest Nigerian people. Please, let's return back to our various base. And I think we have one more visit to make before we leave town, but that is for those who are coordinating this our affairs. I want to thank you once again for showing up. And like I said, go back and organize. Stop agonizing. The court case is not our problem. Our problem are these characters in our Sowore, the various federal ministries, state ministries, departments and agencies of corruption that have finished this country. We must once again, by every means, confront them and liberate our country. Whether you call it end SARS, end bad governance, end SWAT,
end everything.
Revolution now. The focus is that it will be one book that has different covers from time to time, but plenty of chapters. Revolution now. Revolution now.
Let's